Welcome to all to this +2 mathematics class. Last day we saw the derivative of function of a function, that was derivative of composite function, that is chain rule. The chain rule says if y is a function of u and u is a function of x, then dy by dx is equal to dy by du into du by dx. Then we have done some problems. Then remember the differentiation result, derivative of product of two functions is equal to first function into derivative of second function plus second function into derivative of first function. Then derivative of f plus g, sum rule, dy by dx of f plus g is equal to derivative of first function plus derivative of second function. Then dy by dx of f plus g is equal to dy by dx of f plus dy by dx of g. Then quotient rule, dy by dx of f by g is equal to denominator g square, numerator denominator g into derivative of numerator f minus f into derivative of denominator. Then derivatives of trigonometric function, dy by dx of sin x. What is the dy by dx of sin x? Cos x. Dy by dx of cos x minus sin x. Dy by dx of tan x c square x. Then dy by dx of cot x minus cos square x. Dy by dx of sec x, result remember sec x tan x. Dy by dx of cosec x, do you remember, minus cosec x cot x. Derivative dy by dx of x raised to n into x raised to n minus 1. Using that result, dy by dx of root x, remember dy by dx of root x. Root x is derivative of root x 1 by 2 root x. Then today we do some more problems. Differentiate x plus 1 the whole cube. X plus 1 the whole cube, differentiate. Let y is equal to x plus 1 the whole cube. We use u is equal to x plus 1, then y is equal to u cube, where u is equal to x plus 1. By chain rule, dy by dx is equal to formula dy by du into du by dx is equal to dy by du of u cube into dy by dx of u is equal to x plus 1. Derivative of x raised to n with respect to x. Derivative of x raised to n with respect to x, dy by dx of x raised to n is n into x raised to n minus 1. Similarly, derivative of u cube with respect to u is n. Here n is 3. U raised to n minus 1, 3 minus 1 into sum rule. Derivative of x plus 1, we use sum rule. Derivative of x plus derivative of constant 1. Then substitute the value u is equal to x plus 1 the whole cube into derivative of x 1 plus derivative of constant 1 0. So result is 3 into x plus 1 the whole cube. Derivative of x plus 1 the whole cube is equal to 3 into x plus 1 the whole raised to 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is 2 into derivative of x plus bracket x plus 1, that was 1 plus 0. So dy by dx of x plus 1 the whole cube is equal to 3 into x plus 1 the whole raised to 3, x plus 1 the whole raised to 3 minus 1 2 into derivative of x plus 1, derivative of x 1 plus derivative of constant 1 0, 1 plus 0 1. So result is derivative dy by dx of x plus 1 the whole cube is equal to 3 into x plus 1 the whole square into derivative of x plus 1. Into derivative of x plus 1 is derivative of x 1 plus derivative of constant 1 0, 1 plus 0 1. Next question. X minus 3 the whole cube. Differentiate x minus 3 the whole cube. Let y is equal to x minus 3 the whole cube. As like a previous question, x plus 1 the whole cube. Here bracket is x minus 3. Method is dy by dx is equal to, you think u raised to 3. U raised to 3 is 3u square. For 3 into bracket raised to 3 minus 1 into dy by dx of bracket value x minus 3. That is equal to 3 into x minus 3 the whole raised to 2 into derivative of x 1 minus sum rule we apply. Derivative of x minus 3, derivative of x minus derivative of constant 3 0. So bracket value is 3. Then we get dy by dx of x minus 3 the whole cube is equal to 3 into x minus 3 the whole 3 minus 1 2 into derivative of bracket value 1 minus 0, that was 1. Differentiate log 1 plus x. Differentiate log 1 plus x. Remember, logarithmic function, domain of the logarithmic function is, domain of logarithmic function is open 0 positive infinity, set of positive real numbers. Remember, log of our function is log of 1 plus x. This domain is, this function domain is if minus 1 infinity. That was x less than minus 1. That was x greater than minus 1. This is same as minus 1 infinity. Remember, logarithmic function domain is set of positive real numbers and range is set of real numbers. And exponential function domain is set of real numbers and range is set of positive real numbers. So, y is equal to log 1 plus x. We know that the derivative of, let us u is equal to 1 plus x, then y is equal to log u. Then dy by dx is equal to, by chain rule, dy by du into du by dx. dy by du of log u into dy by dx of u 1 plus x. Derivative of log u with respect to u. Derivative of log u with respect to u 1 by u into derivative of some rule we apply. Here we apply some rule. Derivative of 1 0 plus derivative of x 1. Substitute the value u is equal to 1 plus x into 1 plus x. So, dy by dx of log 1 plus x is equal to, remember, derivative of log x 1 by x. Our x is 1 plus x into derivative of 1 plus x. 0 plus 1, 1. Differentiate, fourth question, differentiate two x by 2 plus x. Differentiate 2x by 2 plus x. Do you remember the quotient rule for differentiation? Quotient rule on differentiation. Quotient rule on differentiation. dy by dx of f by g is equal to denominator g square, denominator square, numerator, denominator into derivative of numerator f minus numerator f into derivative of denominator g. So, that result we use. dy by y is equal to 2 plus x. dy by dx, dy by dx is equal to denominator square. Denominator is 2 plus x. Denominator square 2 plus x dot square. Denominator into 2 plus x into derivative of numerator 2x minus numerator 2x into derivative of denominator. That was the rule, quotient rule we apply. Then denominator 2 plus x dot square 2 plus x into derivative of 2x, 2 into derivative of x 1 minus 2x into sum rule applied, derivative of 2 plus x, derivative of constant 2 0, derivative of x 1, again simplify 2 plus x dot square 2 plus x into 2 4, 2 into 2 4 distributed law plus x into 2, x into 2 2x minus 2 into 1 2x, 2x minus 2, 2x minus 2 0. Then result is 4 by 2 plus x dot square. This is the fifth question. Differentiate third question log 1 plus x minus fourth question 2x by 2 plus x dot square. So we use y is equal to log of 1 plus x minus 2x by 2 plus x. Differentiate log 1 plus x minus 2x by 2 plus x. This is the y is the sum of two functions. Differentiate. dy by dx is equal to derivative of first term 1 plus x minus derivative of second function 2x by 2 plus x. We have done the third question, derivative of log x 1 by x. Here derivative of log 1 plus x. Derivative of log 1 plus x is 1 by bracket 1 plus x into derivative of bracket 1 plus x 0 plus 1. So this value is 1, derivative of log 1 plus x is 1 by 1 plus x into derivative of 1 plus x 0 plus 1 1 minus we have look the fourth question, result is 4 by, you apply quotient rule, 4 by 2 plus x dot square. Then LCM is 1 plus x into 2 plus x dot square. Then 1 into 2 plus x dot square minus 4 into 1 plus x. Simplify. So that is equal to 1 plus x into 2 plus x dot square. Expand 2 plus x dot square. A plus b dot square is what? A square plus 2ab plus b square. So 2 square 4 plus 2 into AB, 2 into x, 4x, plus s square, minus distributive of 4 into 1, 4, minus 4 into 1, minus 4, minus 4 into minus 4 into x, minus 4x, 4x to 4x plus positive 4x, minus 4x, 4x minus 4x, 0, constant 4 minus 4, 0. Then we get s square by 1 plus x into 2 plus x dot square. Differentiate, sixth question. Differentiate x into x minus 2, the whole raised to 2. Differentiate the function x into x minus 2, the whole square with respect to x. So, a into b the whole raised to n is equal to a raised to n into b raised to n. Right? Loss of indices ab raised to n is equal to a raised to n into b raised to n. So, y is equal to, after applying the loss of indices ab raised to n is equal to a raised to n into b raised to n. Then s square into x minus 2 dot square. Differentiate. This is the product of two functions. Derivative product of two function is what? First function into derivative of second function plus second function into derivative of first function. dy by dx is equal to first function into derivative of second function plus second function into derivative of first function, that is equal to s square into derivative of u raised to n is, with respect to u is n into u raised to n minus 1. So, derivative of x minus 2 dot square is equal to 2 into x minus 2 the whole raised to 2 minus 1 into derivative of x minus 2. Chain rule we apply. Here we use the chain rule. Derivative of x minus 2 the whole square is equal to 2 into x minus 2 the whole raised to 2 minus 1 into derivative of bracket plus x minus 2 the whole square into derivative of s square is, what is derivative of s square? Derivative of x raised to n is n into x raised to n minus 1. So, derivative of s square is 2x. S square into 2 into x minus 2 the whole raised to 1 into derivative of x 1, derivative of constant 2, 0 plus x minus 2 the whole square into 2x. This is a 2, here exists 2 terms. Common factors are 2 is the common factor. Here x square exists. Second term x exists. 2x common factor. Again first bracket x minus 2. Here also x minus 2. then take a common factor from both ends. 2x into x minus 2 is the common factor. Remainder here s square divided by x plus second term remainder 2xx, 1x minus 2 we take out, then x minus 2 is the remainder. So 2x into x minus 2 into x plus x, 2x minus 2. Take a common factor 2, then we get a 2 into x minus 1. 2 into 2, 4x into x minus 2 into x minus 1. This is the dy by dx. So, differentiate x into x minus 2 x whole square, apply the laws of indices, then apply derivative of product of two functions. Product of two functions, first function into derivative of second function plus second function into derivative of first function. After simplification, result we got. Homework, assignment, differentiate log sin x to log cos x. 3. Log tan x, log sec x. I stop.